Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
So in today's video, we will bring you this unboxing of the what? Bam! The Air Jordan 4 SC Olives. This is a very clean pair in my opinion. It does come in that olive box with the speckles with that pale vanilla in the Flight logo. This is my size 10 as you can see. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Bam! Check out this shoe right here. Those features different suede material. It's SC Craft. You can definitely tell this is a craft by this little square patch right here. You see comes in the olive colorway. This is a very clean shoe in my opinion. It does freaks with that crackle leather right here on the wings. It does come in with them black hits. It does have suede around the toe box. And also right here has that, I don't know if the camera's picking up, it has that back stroke. Nice little touch on this. This is a very clean shoe in my opinion. It almost looks like it has the netting in the front, but as you know, on these Jordan 4 crafts, the netting is not there. As you can see on the side, the netting is gone. It does feature that light green outsole with the pale vanilla hits on it. Jumpman is fading out. Unfortunately, it only comes with green laces, which in my opinion would have been nice with have that pale vanilla lace, with these shoes. The back has that Jumpman and pale vanilla. So some people saying like this back tab right here is a little bit too high because it does come above the ankle, as you can see. For some people, this hits into the back of the ankle, so maybe Jordan Brand should have put this back tab a little bit lower. Let me know in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? But as you know, these Jordan 4 SC crafts are sitting right now.
Hey, this sneakerhead bro is rocking those. Rocking those.
Again, this is a very clean shoe in my opinion. I do like different things and different colorways of shoes because I don't like to be like everyone else and wear the same shoes. So I do like it when they do stuff like this a little bit different. Again, the reason why I got these is because I already hit on the Jordan 4 crafts earlier this year. So I was just trying to get this other one to complete the set. You can see right here, we do have that Craft 4 in the gray colorway. This is another clean shoe in my opinion. Kind of reminds me of a little bit of that off-white look with the sail hits on it. It does feature that sail on the back as well. Jordan sail on the tongue. It does feature that same craft material. However, one of the differences that I noticed like right here, this right here is leather versus this green pair. There's like a lower suede on it, so that's one of the biggest difference from these two. From what I can see on the back, both of them did use the pale vanillas for the Jumpman. They also used pale vanilla on the tongue right here. I know this one's kind of faded out because it's a lighter color, but trust me, it's pale vanilla right there. Again, now this back tab is looks almost, let me see, it looks actually higher than the black pair. So maybe that was one of the complaints of the first one. And as you can see right on camera, back tab with the gray pair is a lot taller. Again, this may cut into your ankle as well. But this again didn't come with another set of laces. In my humble opinion, I think both of these shoes would look good, probably with some sail laces. So let me know in the comments, sneakerheads. I know people are not rocking these, so they're all still sitting. So if you want them, go ahead and scoop them up. So both of these are very nice shoes in my humble opinion. Let me know in your comment below. Again, if you're looking for some affordable fours for your kids, this might be the ones for you. Again, this is the Jordan SC Crafts coming in that gray and that olive color. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We'll go over some of the similarities to both of these shoes. As you can see, it does have that sail midsole. This Jordan Olive has the sail midsole as well. Both of these do have that cracked leather. So, in my opinion, they did a good job on both of these shoes. Both of these do have that pale vanilla Jumpman on the back. Turn around. Like I said, both of these do have that cracked leather around this wing. But like I said, the biggest difference will be the materials used. This one is leather, gray leather. And right here, there's a like the suede or nubuck material that's cut real low. If you know anything more about these shoes you'd like to add, please comment down below. I'd love to hear your comments. Again, this was a quick review. Hopefully you enjoyed this content. Don't forget to share and like this video. If you want these, they're still available for you sneakerheads, so go on and scoop them up.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if y'all continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.